Hi, welcome to our video tutorial. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to declare and implement or store value and read a value from an array list. So let's create a project and see how to do those things. Array list implementation. So in this we'll see how to create an array list of a string, how to add data to a list, and how to read a value or how to read data from the list. So first we have to create or we have to declare the variable. So what we should do is we need this class array list. So we have to import it. Now here it is. Now in array list we have to tell its data type. What kind of data type or what kind of data are you storing in this array list? So for that we have to tell it. If it's a string, if you want integer or if you want double, you can define the data type here. So let's create an array list of strings which contains student names. Now it's an array list. Okay, so now what I did is declare and initialize an array list. Okay, now next what we're going to do is store a value in an array list. So here what we can do is by calling the variable name dot add. So we can add any number of elements. Since we didn't define its size, it's an open-ended list, so we can add any element we want whenever we want, and also we can remove items. So let's see here. Let's add this one, student names dot add. Let's add Muhammad dot add Patel dot add. Let's add another name. Head. Now we have added 4 values to the list. Now let's read values from an array list. How to read is, let's implement a simple for loop. Int I equal to 0. Now I less than, we have to specify the range, but the range we can't specify 4 just because we have 4 elements, because what if we want to add some more? So the for loop has to be flexible. So what we can do is we give the size of the array. So we put the array name dot, it contains size function. What it does is it returns the number of elements in this list. So the for loop should continue until the number of items in the array list is completed. So I plus plus. Now right now system dot out dot println, and here I can give student names dot get. So to add items, add. To read items, I can use get, and it has to be I. Now let's run our application and see. So here we go. These are the items we have entered, 4 items. Now let's add another item here. We don't modify its definition, we don't modify our for loop, just we add a new element here. Let's see. See? Since the for loop is defined by the size of the element, or the size of the array, when the array element goes up, then the for loop keeps on following because of its size. What if we want to minimize? Let's minimize 3. Let's see what it does. See, now it only showed me 2. So, which means I can add whenever I want, whatever number of items I can add in the array list, and also I can remove items from it. To remove an item, we can use like dot remove, then I can give it index. I can give it an index, which means now I have 5 elements. 5 elements means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 indexing. So let's remove Muhammad. So to remove Muhammad, the index I'm supposed to give is 1. Let's see. Now it only shows me 4 items because the second one, or the number index 1, is already removed. So I only see 4 items. So this is how we can implement ArrayList in Java. It's a simple example. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thank you very much.